Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install or set up REMnux latest version 8.0 which is based on Ubuntu 24.04 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to REMnux official website, it is remnux.org. Then click on distro, see here download the REMnux VM, click on download, then scroll down, see here we have the general OVA, VirtualBox OVA and Proxmox QCO W2. Okay, in this video we are going to set up on VirtualBox, so we have to click on this VirtualBox OVA, then click on download the VirtualBox OVA file. See, download started and its size is about 7.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Then go to file and select the import appliance. Then select the downloaded REMnux OVA file. Then click on open. Then go to settings. See, this is the virtual machine name. If you want to change, you can change it. Product name, product URL, guest OS type, number of CPU equals to RAM. Anyone, if you want to change, you can change. Then click on finish. See, now it is importing appliance. This will take time. Wait until this becomes to 100%. See, import completed. Now click on this start, or if you want to change any one of these options, right click and select settings. Okay, I'm okay with these settings, then click on start. Close the terminal, click on show applications. See here we have different applications. Okay, now verify the version more/etc os-release. See, it is based on Ubuntu 24.04.3. okay, so in this video we have seen how to set up the REMnux latest version on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.